In this video, I'll give you the smartest business ideas for 2026. No empty motivation, real systems you can apply. And by the end, you'll know which one fits you. Because in 2026, opportunities are everywhere, but attention is limited. Most people try to do everything at once. That kills results. Today, we choose focus, and we build a simple plan. The biggest mistake is chasing a trend blindly. Trends exist, but without a system, you will stop. With a system, trends can lift you. First idea, AI services. People use AI tools, but they can't set them up correctly. You speed up their workflow, and you get paid for results. You can write ad copy. You can create product descriptions. You can build social media post packages. You can set up email campaigns. The power of this idea is monthly income. You sell it as a package. The client pays you repeatedly. That creates stability. The key here is picking a niche: restaurants, online stores, fitness coaches. When you choose a niche, finding clients becomes easier. Second idea, a micro agency, a small agency model. You don't need a big team. You start solo and grow later. It can be YouTube Shorts editing, thumbnail and title optimization, TikTok content packages. These are all in demand. What makes a micro agency powerful is repetition. You repeat the same work. Repetition creates a system. A system creates speed. The main rule is simple. Don't do everything. Pick one service, build one package, then go sell it. Third idea, UGC content, videos that look real. For brands, you don't need to be an influencer. You can do it without showing your face. You present the product, you show the problem, you show the solution, then a short call to action. Brands pay for that. You get paid per video, then you sell packages. Packages raise your income. Starting UGC is simple. A phone camera is enough. Natural light is enough. A few sample videos are enough. Then you message brands, short message, one sample, clear offer. That's how deals start. Fourth idea, digital products. Not just an ebook. Templates that solve a problem. People pay to save time. You are packaging time. Notion templates, Excel budgeting sheets, Canva design packs, checklists and script packs. All of these can sell. The power of digital products is scale. You create once, it sells many times. Sales can happen at night while you sleep. But focus on value, not just pretty design. Make it truly useful. You sell convenience, not decoration. Fifth idea, niche e-commerce. Not classic dropshipping. You pick a niche, you build a brand with one or two products. Kitchen convenience, pet accessories, recovery and self-care, baby care, niche choices are everywhere. In this game, content is king. Short videos drive sales, ads are not the only path, content is also advertising. The biggest mistake in e-commerce is too many products. Sell one product extremely well, focus wins every time. Sixth idea, visibility services for local businesses. Many local stores are weak online, poor Google Maps ranking, few reviews, empty social media. You fix their profile, update photos and text, set up a review system, give them a monthly content plan. Finding clients is easy here. They are close to you. You can walk in, you can message. They see results fast. And when they see results, they stay longer. Longer clients means stable income. Stable income means freedom. Your package must be clear. Google business optimization, Instagram content plan, 2 ad campaigns per month, weekly reports. Seventh idea, training plus service. First, deliver the service, get real results, then package your system into a course. Because proof sells. You don't just talk, you show. People pay for results, not opinions. Eighth idea, subscription content, a monthly membership, weekly idea packs, scripts and templates. People pay consistently. Subscription reduces stress. You can predict income. You can plan ahead. Planning reduces risk. Ninth idea, TikTok shop and short form sales. People don't want long ads. They want short, real, and clear. Show the problem, show the solution, show the result. Then a simple call to action. That is enough. 10th idea, simple consulting. People feel stuck. You guide decisions, budget plans, debt strategy, business direction. For consulting, pick one lane, one problem, one solution, one package, then build results and referrals. Now the real question, which one should you choose? Because ideas are endless, but your time is not. First question, do you like working with people or alone? People equals service models, alone equals digital products, both equals UGC. Second question, do you want fast income or long-term system? Fast income comes from services. Long-term comes from content and products. Third question, how many hours do you have daily? 2 hours, microservices, 4 hours, build an agency, 6 hours, e-commerce and content. Fourth question, what skill is strongest? Writing, design, video, speaking. Choose what you can execute fastest. The goal is simple. Get results fast. Results create motivation. Motivation creates consistency. Consistency creates money. Here is a 30-day plan. Week 1, learn and pick your niche. Week 2, build 5 sample projects. Week 3, send 30 outreach messages. Week 4, close your first client. That's the game. When you message, keep it simple, focus on their problem. Say, I can do this for you. Show one example. Don't be scared to price your work, but don't go too cheap. Sell packages, starter, standard, premium. When people see options, they decide faster. And when they decide faster, you grow faster. That's real. When you get your first client, deliver quality, deliver on time, communicate clearly, track results. Where results exist, referrals follow, and referrals are the cheapest marketing. Always. Remember this, ideas don't make money, execution makes money. Execution is daily small actions. Small actions compound into big outcomes. That is how real businesses are built, not overnight. In 2026, content is your advantage. Content builds trust. Trust creates sales. Sales create a business. Content is not only for fame, it attracts the right people. One short idea per day, one example, one lesson. Now the truth, everyone talks about millions, but you must earn your first 1,000, then your first 5,000. Then your system grows, step by step, no shortcuts, just smart repetition and focus. The worst trap is comparison. Others started earlier. You start today, focus on your path, grow your numbers. If you choose AI services, start today. Build a simple prompt system, create 5 samples, message 20 businesses. If you choose a micro agency, write your package today, 10 shorts per month, create 5 samples, message creators. If you choose UGC, record 3 videos, problem, solution, result. Save them as your portfolio. Send them to brands. If you choose digital products, build 1 template, solve 1 problem, promote it with a short video, improve after first sales. If you choose local businesses, pick 10 places tomorrow, find them on Google Maps, note what they do wrong, send a clear offer. No matter what you choose, focus is everything. Even 1 hour a day, stay consistent. In 60 days, you will feel the difference. This video gave you ideas, but the real power is the decision. Pick one today, take the first step today, and if this helped you, subscribe to Phoenix, because here we build everything, step by step. You are not alone. Like the video, and leave a comment, write which business idea you choose, and I will give you a 30-day roadmap for it. Let's make 2026 different. Let's start today.